Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have some vegan meat stew, which is just like your cow meat stew. You will love every bit of it, and we are going to add our cabbage rice and pumpkin fries to it. You will love every bit of it, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment and share. And if today is your first time, I say welcome and God bless you. Okay, so let's look at the ingredients you are going to use for this recipe. We have our cabbage rice, and I'm going to teach you how to get it this way. We have our sliced onions and tomatoes. We have our vegan meat. I have a video in the description box how to make vegan meat. Watch and learn and you will love it. We have a mixture of red and green bell pepper, our chopped onions for our cabbage rice. We also have some mix of ginger, garlic, onion and tomato seed. We are going to blend and pepper with natural mixed spices, and also the seeds of bell pepper. I don't throw them away, they smell so good when you use them to cook. We have also our pumpkins to fry. We are also going to make use of black pepper, white and natural mixed spice, and we are going to blend these together. I have salt water. I'm going to put in my pumpkin and in order to get the salt on it. Okay, so we are going to fry our vegan meat, and this, the way it is, you don't have to put much in the oil, just few, because they will rise while you fry them. The moment you take it out of the oil, is going to shrink or is going to coagulate. Okay, so we'll be frying this, and also have our oil on fire. I'm using olive oil for the sauce and also for the fry. So I just poured in my blended ingredients. I'm using olive oil. That's because keto, olive oil, coconut oil, red oil, avocado oils, these are the oils we take. So we are going to cover and allow. So this is our meat so far. Yes, this is our meat. By the moment you take it out of the oil, it's going to shrink and the size is going to reduce, so don't worry. But when you're frying it, don't take too much into the oil, just few will be okay. So this is it. Please, if you are here and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. I have a lot of recipes on weight loss that you can follow, and if you really want to be on keto diet, this is the right place for you. So you're going to fry another batch. Okay, and also bear in mind that we have other challenge also there. This is for vegans, but we have challenge which are not vegan related that you can also follow. Just check on the channel and you get all the video. So we are checking on our sauce so far, and we are going to add our sliced tomatoes to it, and then stir and allow it to cook a bit. Cook for some time, not a bit, for some time. Okay, so cover at this point. And we are going to check on our meat. So this is it so far, and we are using the same oil to fry our pumpkins also. Using the same oil to fry our pumpkins. Checking on our stew, and at this point I will just give it a little bit of water to loosen up and to help it to cook very well. And I'm going to add my salt, half a teaspoon. I'm adding half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, my white pepper and also black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of each, and then we'll stir, cover and allow it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes before we will add in our meat. Okay, so at this point we are going to check on our pumpkins, and they are ready. Pumpkins doesn't take long to cook at all. Within some few minutes they are done cooking. So we are going to take it out of the oil. Now we are done frying our pumpkin, and pumpkins are very tasty when you fry them, especially when you fry them. That's when you get the real taste of pumpkin. So give it a try if you have not tried frying it before. Okay, so we have our pan on fire, pouring in coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil for my rice because I want that oil rice flavor. And so this is how I'm able to come by my cabbage rice. I used my food processor to get it into this form, but if you don't have food processor, you can use your knife to chop them into smaller pieces, or use your grater to grate them very well, and you get the results. So you see, when you grate them, this is what you are going to get at the end of the day. So you can use food processor, you can use your knife, or you can grate them. Okay, so this is it. Yes, please consider subscribing, like, and share this video. And so we are going to pour in some onions, some of the chopped onions, and we'll stir fry it for a minute. You're going to stir fry this for a minute. I also have a flat tummy water on the channel, so I'll leave the link there. You know how to prepare them. It's not just for flat tummy, it also helps to boost your immune system. Okay, so after a minute, you are going to pour in our cabbage rice, and we'll give it a very good stir. I will add the ones that I also grated to it. Okay, so you give it a very good stir, and we are going to do this for about 2 minutes, and then we'll add some salt. And the salt I'm going to add is salt solution because my salt is a stone type. Okay, we are checking on our stew now. Okay, and it's getting dry. So at this point, we are going to add in our vegan meat. So you see when it shrinks, yes. And so we just added the meat, and then we'll lower the fire, cover, and then allow it to cook. Give it time to cook very well. So we're going to add the grated ones also to it, and then stir everything. Then we'll add some black pepper, white pepper, and also mixed or all purposes. So I'm just adding my sauce solution to it. You don't need to add much, just a little at a time. When you taste and it's not enough, then you can add extra. And also bear in mind, because of the all-purpose seasoning you are going to add, it contains a bit of salt, so you don't need too much. Okay, black pepper, just add a 1/4 teaspoon of each, and that is also okay. You wouldn't want it to be too spicy. Okay, so stir fry this for some 30 seconds, and then we'll add our onions also to it, and then we are going to stir fry this for a minute, and that'll be okay to serve. So at this point, you can taste to see if the salt is okay. I tasted and the salt wasn't okay, so I'm adding a bit more. Okay, and so we're going to stir fry this for a few seconds, like 30 seconds, and this will be okay. Our rice is ready, so we're going to put out the fire, and now we are going to check on our stew so far. Yes, so the rice is ready. Okay, so you see, the moment it gets to fire, so the moment I took off the lid, everything bounced back. Our stew is looking sumptuous, and it tastes so great. The meat is just like cow meat. Okay, so we're just adding our veggies, that's our onions and our bell peppers, and then we'll cover for a minute on a low heat, very low heat. So we are checking on it again, stirring it together, and you are going to give it about 30 seconds, and that'll be it, and we are done cooking. Give this a try, and you will never think this is vegan. You think you are chewing cow meat too. Okay, so this is it for our vegan meat stew. Very tasty, very sumptuous. I'm not a vegetarian, but hey, once a while, you need some of these things in your system. Just stay away from meat and fish at times. And this is our pumpkin fries and our vegetable or our cabbage rice. This is real. When you are eating it, you don't even come into mind that it's not real rice. And so keto is very good. If you're on keto diet, don't regret, and this is the right place for you. And as I'm saying, this stew or this sauce It's really good. You will love every bit of this combination. And so the pumpkin serves as adding fried plantain to your rice, and the taste is so good. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. If you really want to lose weight, this is the right place for you. I share more recipes on keto and low carbs diet, and you will love every bit of it. Give yourself some time, try and stay away from the too much carbs, and practice some of these things, and you enjoy it. So you don't need to only be a meat eater before you can be on keto diet. Even if you are a vegetarian, you can still enjoy your keto diet. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like and share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment also. And hey, watch out for another recipe. Bye bye.